flexible drilling. We are having on the top 2 independent boring heads with 16 vertical drills and 6 horizontal drills. The machines are independent, so each have their own y-axis, whereas we have one axis on the x-axis with the gripper, with 2 gripper heads. The minimum workpiece is 70 in the length, 30 in the width. The maximum width of the machine is 1.2 meter, which is a great advantage as compared to our competition. The machine comes also with a vertical spindle and also with a T-mold, a T-groove saw blade. So this is particularly important when you do wardrobes and you want to make a groove for inserting the LED cable in the wardrobe side panels. Okay. The machine comes with a CNC controlled side pressure, with the grippers and an unloading table. From the bottom we have 9 vertical spindles that can be for the drilling from below.